Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Arm & Hammer UltraMax Fresh Antiperspirant Deodorant. Yeah, now I have been knowing about Arm & Hammer for, Arm & Hammer's been in business for just forever, probably the beginning of time, just forever. And I've used several of their products, Arm & Hammer, just about everything. But I've trusted them with a lot of different items, and I did not know until recently that they make a deodorant. And so I saw this at the store, and I just kind of wanted to try it and see, what it was all about. It was just new to me. I was like, wow, they are expanding in every aspect, right? So I wanted to give it a shot. And I tried it, and it does what it's supposed to do. It keeps you dry, and it's really a decent deodorant. It's very economical, and it works. I have no issues with, the fact that it works. In my opinion, the only thing, well, actually two things. What I think about this, just looking at it, and it was almost a reason for me not to buy it, is the fact that usually when I buy deodorants, I usually like the deodorants that are clear on the top. They go on clear. So I usually don't buy the ones that have the powdery white on the top. It's just something I rarely ever do because I just don't like to have that white haze underneath my underarms, and it will tend to do that. I mean, it won't be thick, it won't be that much. I mean, the more hair you have under your underarm, the more this will show up. Yeah, so I usually don't like that. So that was one of the reasons I was like, I'm probably not going to like this that much. So yeah, and another thing is, which is not a bad thing actually, the fragrance that this is, it smells nice. It smells really good. I mean, and you smell fresh and clean, right? But in my opinion, the fragrance smells more like a clean smell that you get from a cleanser from your cleaning solution versus some kind of fragrance like a perfume or a body spray. It kind of gives you the feeling that it's more like that, like a cleanser feeling, like your bathroom smells clean now, that kind of a smell. Like I said, it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't make you think like, oh God, this is not a very, good smell. It just makes you think more of a clean bathroom or a clean bathtub or something, that kind of thing. But it's okay. I mean, you just won't get that, oh, I'm ready to go out smell, It's more like an air freshener smell. It's even closer, yeah, air freshener smell versus a cleanser smell. So yeah, that was kind of a side to it for me. So it is what it is. But I tried it. I used it. I think it works well as far as its functionality and doing what it's supposed to do. It does. And it's, it's a decent deodorant. It's just that those two things kind of made me feel kind of turned off a little bit, especially the white on the top. I don't like those. And I know there's a lot of deodorants out there that are like that, and it's just a preference. But to me, I usually go for the clear, and it's just my preference. I like that better. But in fairness, I mean, it's not like putting on like a powder or something on your skin. It's just like a haze. It just goes on kind of like hazily, kind of like, here, let me show you. Like if I have my hand here and you put it on. You see, you barely see it, but see, I don't like that. You know, I want it just to go on clear. That's just me. And it is what it is. You know, might be a little picky, but but I've actually seen worse. But it is what it is. Other than that, it does work, and yeah, it doesn't bother me. All right, well, that is the Arm & Hammer UltraMax Fresh Antiperspirant Deodorant. Yes, they got this now. All right, guys, well, I hope you use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.